I'm going to teach you the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s of grading fruits and vegetables. So ABC is used for canned fruits and vegetables. This grading is done by the USDA. That is important to remember that the United States Department of Agriculture does the grading of fruits and vegetables. Just think agriculture, fruits and vegetables, and there you go. So ABC for the canned fruits and vegetables. A is desserts, salads, or fancy. So if you've ever eaten at McDonald's, which I know none of us have, the little packages of ketchup, if you've ever noticed, it says fancy ketchup. So what makes it so fancy? Well, it's a grade A product. So grade A, basically looking at grade A, B, and C, and some things they look at: quality, firm, color, maturity, deficits, uniform shape and size. So basically fancy ketchup means that it has a good consistency and it's supposed to be, the top of the line. Fancy ketchup you're getting at McDonald's. So hopefully that helps you remember canned fruits and vegetables. A, B, processed choice. C, puddings, pies, standard. So that is your ABCs of canned fruits and vegetables. Now your 1, 2, 3s of fresh fruits and vegetables, some different grading that they use for fresh fruits and vegetables includes words such as fancy, extra, number 1, might be a combination of any of those, or number 2. For example, apples. So apples, you might have US extra fancy apples. You might have US fancy, which just has a little bit of a decrease in quality of the apples. US number 1 and US utility. And again, they're just looking at some of the different, maybe defects in the apples, how pretty they look, how ripe they are, just overall quality of your fresh produce. I was looking for some examples of number 2, and I saw mushrooms and eggplants. Again, they're going to be fine to consume. They just might not be as pretty as your extra fancy number 1 apple. If you're looking at a US utility apple, same thing for mushrooms and eggplants. So hopefully that helps you remember your ABCs and 1, 2, 3.